What's up, YouTube? Here with our b.albopilosum Axel. It's been about 6 days since her molt, and we are going to attempt to give her her first feeding since molting. So this will be the first time she's ate in about 3 months, if she does eat. See all her pretty hairs? She got really fluffy hairy after her molt. Might be too big for her, you think?
She got it on the camera. Might be. She's going for your camera though.
It's okay, I got a good view of her.
Mm-hmm. Still good video. She is so pretty. She's gorgeous.
Well, do you want to try with a cricket, or?
Yeah, we'll see.
Try and see if we can't find a spare cricket in the gecko log. While we'll wait for that, we'll just check out her beauty. None in there?
No.
Oh, we are out of crickets. Gave the geckos the last of them. But we'll still share this video so you guys can see how pretty she is now after her molt. If I can stop shaking, try to get a good view of her right here. I can see her eyes, I just can't focus.
Hi, my baby. Hi, my baby. Hi, my baby.
Alright, well, like, subscribe, and check out our other ones.